Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do a little New Year's Eve makeup, and I thought, why don't I just bring you with me while I get ready and you can see what I do for New Year's. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, and I have a new name for all my little followers out there. I'm going to call you my little muñequitos because my name is Monica and a muñeca is a little doll in Spanish, so welcome back, all my little muñequitas. Anyways, I thought that was kind of fun. My daughter loved that. So all I've done so far is I've put on foundation, 2 pumps of the Color Stay Revlon in 320. Then I did for my under eye concealer, Makeup Forever HD and in color 40. And then I curled my eyelashes with my Lancome curler, and I did a little vitamin C serum and a little CeraVe moisturizer before my foundation. And I've got Lumify in my eyes, that's why my eyes are so bright, and a little under eye cream from Skin Cuticles, their Age Eye Complex under my eyes. And I even touched up my roots with my Clairol root touch up with the little brush. If you didn't see that video, you just put that right in wherever you need a little root touch up. So that's how I got to this point, and I did my hair. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. So what I like to do is put a little of this gel from, what is this, Benefit Brow Setter, and I just put it and just kind of brush up to begin with, just giving them some shape. And that's what I do to get started. Oh, and by the way, this is also, if you have any flyaway hairs, it works great for that too. So I start with that. Then I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've got her, this is her 2-sided brush and, you know, little spoolie. And I like, this is the taupe. And at first, obviously, I like the darker better, but lately I've been going like this and kind of getting both colors in there. And then all I do is just fill in those brows. And I'm telling you, filling in your brows makes such a difference. It's anti-aging. I don't leave the house without doing my brows. I mean, I just feel like it gives you definition, and it actually kind of makes you look more awake and like, hi, here I am. And I just brush them up like that. And if I have too much, sometimes I'll just take my finger and like kind of blend it out like that. And that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my eyes. Now I'm gonna put on this Bourbon by Urban Decay. This is their liner, Bourbon. And I'm just gonna put that right, just start it right on. And we are going for more of a dramatic look today, so I'll be a little heavy-handed with everything. And I just put it right on my top line right there like that. And it doesn't have to be precise because I'm layering and I'm gonna put a lot of other makeup on. Okay, then I have this Bet. It's the Eyes To Mesmerize by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's a cream eyeshadow. And I just take it with my finger and I just apply with my finger. And what it does is it acts as like a primer because it's cream, and all your eyeshadow will stick to it after that. So I just like to do that just right there, just right on the lid, just right like that. See that? Okay, already, don't I look so much better? Then, I mean, makeup is so transformative. I love it. I just love it. I love playing with makeup, and anyways, I just have a good old time. So the palette that I'm going to use today is actually the Vintage Vamp. I usually use, well, it used to be called Dolce Vita, now it's called the Bella Sofia, I think, by Charlotte Tilbury. But I just love all these burgundy colors. I just think they're so rich. So I'm gonna go in there with the lighter, it's the lighter of the 2 burgundies, and it's up here. So I'm just gonna take that, and I'm gonna definitely, this is definitely I have very hooded eyes, like one day I wanna get my eyes done. But, so you definitely wanna go above the crease there, and just windshield wiper motions and above, but definitely wanna go kind of dramatically above the crease. So, okay, see that? Hi, I love that so much. Okay, So then again, same thing, windshield wiper motion and going above the crease, slightly above to make your eyes look bigger, especially when you have hooded eyes like me. And that's it. Just keep going back and forth like that. Now I also, especially for a dramatic look, I like to go under the eyes with the shadow. So I'm just gonna take a little and just go right under the eyes like that. And again, this is a little more dramatic of a look. This probably isn't something I would do for an everyday look, but for New Year's Eve, definitely. And see all this fallout? Like, don't worry, we're gonna put some, probably concealer at the end. But okay, already, are you getting that smoky vibe? Okay, so then for the highlight, I'm using this little pink number here, and I'm trying to find the right brush. Oh, here we go. I like to use a little lighter brush, and I'm just gonna go right under the brow. Just like that. And yeah, just like that. I hope everyone's gonna have fun tonight and stay safe. And I am so looking forward to saying goodbye to 2022. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Not my favorite year, but it was the best of times and the worst of times, if you know what I mean. Okay, then I'm gonna continue on with bronzer. So I have been loving this Hoola Glow, and it is more glowy than their normal Hoola bronzer. And I'm just gonna take that and do my contour. And I just go kind of right in there. But look, okay, look at the difference. Like, I just love the way that just, it's like a facelift. Like, it's so, when they say contour, I mean, it really does give you definition and color, and I just love it. And I love this color. And then I take it along the bottom here, right on that bottom edge. It helps your neck. I hate my neck too, but you know, that's why we use makeup. And then you pull it down, and it just defines that line on your neck. And then, of course, I do like to do it. I just pull my hair up, just right up here, right up on the top there. And again, you've seen me, it's like a 3. So, love that. Okay, yeah. Okay, love that. And then moving on, I'm gonna go with the highlighter. Now, I've been doing these best of shorts videos, and if you've been watching them, so to me, this is the best. It's by Ofra. It's the mini highlighter in Rodeo Drive. And this highlighter, like, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. Like, look at that. Like, can you believe how amazing this is? And then just right there, kind of right above where you put the bronzer. And then I go down the nose. And then I go actually kind of on the nose like that. And then right above the lips like that. And a little here. And then I put a little just right here like that. Love that. Okay. But I also like to take a little and put it right under my brow bone like this. And it just brings it all together because you're using the same shade like all over your, yeah. So I do that. Love that. Then I'm going to move on to the lips. I was FaceTiming my daughter the other day, Nicole from Hawaii. She's like, Mom, what did you do to your lips? I'm like, I know, right? Check this out. Okay. So I take this and I did sharpen it. Like, it is better used sharpened. And I like to kind of, instead of using it like straight on like this, I kind of use it at an angle. And I go a little below. Like right there. This is really important that you go below your lip right here. And then I come on this side. I mean, who needs filler when you just deceive them with liner, okay? And then again, you kind of use the side of it like this. And then I actually put it all over my lip because I don't like that defined like line down there. So I use it, just blend it in all over your lip like that. And then I just use a little lip gloss. Now, you know I love Fenty, my Fenty lip gloss. I think I got a little piece of it there. Okay. And oh gosh, how gorgeous is that? Oh, I love that so much. Okay, and this stuff tastes so good. Go get this Fenty lip gloss. If you don't get anything in this video, get the lip gloss. I love this lip gloss so much. Oh, and then I found, okay, I forgot. I have this Gimme Brow. Now this is tinted. I like to finish my eyebrows with this. I just couldn't find it. And this is like a light brown. I think it's, well, I'll look at the color. I think it's 3.5. Yeah, so I just finished the brows with this. Love that. And it sets them in place and it gives them a little color. Okay, love that. And then moving on. Oh, I love, okay, so this Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. Now, a lot of people use this before their foundation, but the new trick is to use it after, and it gives your face a glow. So I just take a little dollop, like, you know what I mean? Just a tiny little bit like that. And I rub it together in my hands like this. And then look, I just put it on my, oh, it's literally going on top of my whole foundation. And it just gives this kind of glow to my skin that I love. So that's been kind of my new thing there. Okay, then moving on to my eyelashes. Now, like I said, I've already curled them, but I started using this Damn Girl. Again, I did a shorts video on this by Too Faced, and Damn Girl, let me tell you, it works. Look at, first of all, look at this brush. This brush is like so crazy thick and wonderful. And okay, so I'm just gonna get this going on my eyelashes. And I like to build it. So I'll like put a little on this eye and then I'll move. And actually, okay, annoyingly, I have to do this. Okay, the end of it gets like clumpy. So I just take it and wipe the end of it on a napkin like that. And then that way it's not clumpy on the end. And then just keep going. I love this mascara so much. Again, not really an everyday mascara, but definitely a going out date night mascara. And yeah, look at that. I love it. I love it. This is my new favorite mascara. And oh, I'm gonna do a favorites video too of all my favorite things lately, because I've gotten some really fun things lately. Okay, and then I just put a little bit on the bottom lashes. I don't like that spider leg look, you know, so just a little bit. And then I'll just look and see, yeah, just a light hand, very, very, very light handed with the bottom lashes, because again, I don't like that spiderweb look. And then, like I said, I probably will go one more time over it, just because it is New Year's Eve and I really want those eyelashes to pop. Okay, and then finally, I am going to finish it with this one last time, the Charlotte Tilbury. This is their Bronze and Glow. Now I've already bronzed and glowed, but I just feel like this color is just really soft, and I like to just finish it with that under my eyebrows, because I just like this color, and I feel like it just kind of brings everything together. Just one last little glow everywhere and all those spots. And then I'm feeling, okay, I do like it. I am happy with it. But you know, I feel like we need to go a little darker. It's New Year's Eve. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Because I always do the Dolce Vita, I feel like this one, okay, here it is. See how I've hit pan on this one? And it's called the Bella Sophia, whatever, they changed the name. It's so annoying. They probably had a copyright law or something. But I'm just gonna take a little more of this in my crease, and you'll see why, because I don't know what it is about this color. It's like this bronze color. And it's just, yeah, see that? That's more, a little more dramatic. So, and that's the look I'm going for. I want it a little more dramatic. And then I'm gonna put a little golden shimmer over the top of it, just because it is sort of heavy and dark, but that's the point. Like, I want it to look like it's New Year's Eve and I'm going out. And so, okay, yeah, see, do you love that color? I love that color so much. And then this little part right here, you just put a little of this on your finger, and it's got like, see how it's bronze sparkle? And it just gives a little sparkle to the top of your lid there. Oh my gosh, love that. Okay, there you have it, guys. New Year's Eve glam. I hope everyone has an amazing New Year's. And I'll do my best and I'll let God do the rest. So don't forget to love God and love others. And I wish you peace, happiness, and blessings in 2022. Love you, my little muñequitas.